J is for jackal, always on the run. K is for kangaroo, hopping so high. L is for lion, with a roar in the sky. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for newt, crawling with ease. O is for otter, playful and quick. P is for porcupine, with quills so thick. Q is for quokka, smiling so bright. R is for rabbit, hopping in delight. S is for squirrel, so nimble and sweet. T is for tiger, with stripes so neat. Come along, sing with me. Animals from A to Z. Learning's fun, you will see on this safari journey. U is for Uriel, a wild mountain sheep. V is for volet, in burrows they keep. W is for wolf, howling at night. X is for Xerus, a squirrel in sunlight.